Right now I'm going to make a Trangtsel. Trangtsel means a Tibetan salad. Salad comes with I have here English cucumber. You can use any kind of cucumber is okay. And I have tomatoes, and I have beets, and I have onions, and I have lemons, and I have extra virgin olive oil, and I have salt, and I have black pepper. In Tibet we don't have extra virgin olive oil, and I mix here like a beauty of the salad, flavorfulness. First I can cut the cucumbers. Okay, you can cut any way you want it, but I love having a circle round. Yeah, that's it. It's good. We need tomatoes. When you cut a tomato, you need a very good knife. Knife should be very sharp. Then you can cut tomato wherever you want it. Then the onions. Now I have to skin the beets. It looks ugly with the skin. Without skin it looks beauty. So I'm cutting a slices beets. Okay, then I have to squeeze the lemon juice. Okay, this Trangtsel is a very simple recipe, and I can just do the organizing with the salad, with the plate and the bowl and whatever you have it, and finally I can finish up with the dressings, and that's it. This is a very simple Tibetan salad. I put like half tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and touching of salt, and touching of black peppers, and 1 lemon juice. Then you can just wrinkle this. Thank you for watching yowongtu.com. Enjoy Tibetan simple salad. And if you guys have any comment or something, please write it us. And thank you and enjoy.